10th Science, Chapter 12, Electricity, Ohm's Law.
Hello children, let us remind ourselves of the important points that we have learned in our previous video class. Ohm's law: the potential difference across the ends of a given metallic wire in an electric circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided its temperature remains the same. Mathematical representation of Ohm's law is V is equal to Ri. V equal to R into I. R is a constant for the given metallic wire at a given temperature and is called its resistance. It is the property of the conductor to resist the flow of charges through it. Important points on Ohm's law. Current through a resistor is inversely proportional to its resistance. Current through a resistor is inversely proportional to its resistance. That is, I is inversely proportional to R. I is inversely proportional to R. Current inversely proportional to resistance. If resistance increases, current decreases. If resistance decreases, then current increases. If the resistance is doubled, then the current gets halved. If the resistance is doubled, then the current gets halved. SI unit of electrical resistance is ohm. SI unit of electrical resistance is ohm. And ohm is represented by this symbol. Ohm is represented by this symbol. A component of a given size that offers a low resistance is a good conductor. A component of a given size that offers a low resistance is a good conductor. A component of a identical size that offers a higher resistance is a poor conductor. A component of an identical size that offers a higher resistance is a poor conductor. Factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. Factors on which the resistance of a wire depends. First one, resistance of the conductor depends on its length. Resistance of the conductor depends on its length. R is directly proportional to L. L means length. R means resistance. Resistance of the wire is directly proportional to length of the wire. If length of the wire increases, then resistance also increases. Second one, resistance of the conductor depends on its area of cross section. Resistance of the conductor depends on its area of cross section. R is inversely proportional to A. A means area of cross section of the wire. R is inversely proportional to A. If area of cross section of the wire increases, then resistance decreases. If area of cross section decreases, then resistance increases. Third one, on the nature of its material. Resistance of the conductor depends on the nature of its material. From equation 1 and 2, R is proportional to L divided by A. Means R is directly proportional to length and R is inversely proportional to area of cross section. R is equal to rho into L by A. R is equal to rho into L by A, where rho is a constant of proportionality and is called the electrical resistivity. Rho is called electrical resistivity of the material of the conductor. Rho is called electrical resistivity of the material of the conductor. What is an electrical resistivity? Electrical resistivity is a characteristic property of the material. Electrical resistivity is a characteristic property of the material. SI unit of electrical resistivity is ohm meter. SI unit of electrical resistivity is ohm meter. Thank you.